Good morning, everyone. Today I will show you how to make this rice and vegetables recipe. The ingredients are shown on the screen. First of all, I got one potato, cut it, diced it, and I got a cup of frozen veg. We need to dice an onion and fry it in a saucepan along with the potatoes, and do so for about 10 minutes on low heat up until the potato is halfway cooked. At that stage we add the vegetables and cook them for about 5 minutes. Add some spices, and with the spices it's 1 teaspoon or less of black pepper and cumin and turmeric. Then I added the water. I added 3 cups of water and brought the water to the boil. Then I added basmati rice. Then I leave this to cook for about 10 minutes or so, and here's the end results. Thank you for watching.